Locum embardum ulla Keraliyark Ende Hirdayamaya Republic Dina Asham Sakal. It is with a sense of great joy and accomplishment that we, the people of India, celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. Our celebration recalls that proud moment in 1950 when our beloved nation became a republic by giving unto ourselves our holy book of democracy, which promises all citizens justice, equality, liberty, fraternity, and dignity. Our unwavering trust in the lofty ideals of democracy reflects our profound respect for the heroes whose blood, sweat, and toil gave us the freedom, dignity, and the pride that we enjoy today. India's journey from the 71st to 72nd Republic Day has been challenging due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, our fight against COVID is now almost at the cusp of victory with the nationwide vaccination drive in full swing. The Atmanirbhar Bharat announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji rekindled the spark of creativity and innovation, taking the Gandhian concept of Gram Swaraj to the next level. The two vaccines against COVID-19 developed by Indian scientists and doctors in record time and trusted by the world will be remembered as an epic victory of Indian science, symbolizing the Indian spirit of self-reliance. On this occasion, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the doctors and scientists who developed the vaccine and the healthcare professionals and corona warriors working with dedication to contain the menace of COVID-19. Our nation has been moving ahead through a clear strategy of development and empowerment, fully conscious of the role of education in nation building. We are implementing the National Education Policy 2020 to make India a global knowledge superpower. Equally inspiring has been the progress of our beloved state Kerala, which has been ranked first in the National School Education Index of Niti Aayog. I am happy that the government led by Chief Minister Shri Pinarayi Vijayan has succeeded in making Kerala the first in the country to digitize its general education sector. Through a swift response to COVID-19, we could keep mortality to the lowest in the country. Fully convinced that disease anywhere is a threat to health everywhere, we rendered expertise in setting up corona hospitals in other states in India. True to the unflinching spirit of inclusive India, Kerala adopted a policy of Karunyavum, Karutalum, compassion and care, thereby ensuring food for all through community kitchens of Kutumshri and the regular supply of provision kits to all card holders. Kerala's care also manifests in over 2.5 lakh houses built under the PMAY Life project for the homeless. Piriyapeta Sahodri Sahodran Mare, Vikasita Sushakta Swashriya Bharatam Sundara Swayam Paryapt Nav Keralam Ivyan Nammude Swapnavum Lakshavum E Laksham Nedan Namukka Urumayode Munneram. Our dreams about a happier, more developed and stronger India can become a reality only if we work in tandem to achieve our national goals of inclusive growth, transparency, and above all, people's participation in governance. Let us march ahead, hand in hand, taking our nation to even bigger heights, safeguarding the harmony that blooms amidst this diversity as our greatest inheritance. Ellavarkam Oracle Kudi Ende Republic Dina Asham Sakal Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Nanni Jai Hind.